Hey everyone, I know that this looks very different than usual. It is very different because things aren't as they usually are, because Hurricane Ida unfortunately caused me to lose power in the majority of my studio back there. As you can see, all that back there has no power. My bathrooms have no power. I can't do laundry in my studio. It's been a nightmare. So I'm trying to make videos now where I can just create content to still continue to put videos out for you. And things are gonna be a little different, maybe for the next, who knows how many videos, but I'm not gonna stop making videos. So I'm doing this on my cell phone, my iPhone. You know what? I don't even know what the heck this is. The 11 Pro Max, that's what phone this is, the 11 Pro Max. But I wanna show you something that happened that has to do with Timothee Chalamet and his hair. Yes, this is directly related to myself, Timothy, and his hair. Now, I've done haircut tutorials of Timothy's hair in the past here on my channel. He's got amazing hair. And the key to his hair, I would say, is obviously having natural wavy hair and having the hairstyle that he does naturally, which is awesome. But finding someone who can cut hair, understands shapes. He has wavy hair, naturally wavy hair. So you need to understand how to properly care for it, from the products to the haircut to how you're conditioning it, washing it. All these things are very, very important. And I know a lot of you want and like Timothee Chalamet's hair, and that's why it's been requested so much on my channel. But what I want to do is show you something that I discovered from somebody on Instagram that happened in France. And somehow I seem to be getting a lot of publicity in France with my YouTube content. So I don't speak French, unfortunately. And what I'm gonna play for you is going to be in French, but you're not gonna believe what I'm about to show you.
Des démos pour obtenir votre fameux coiffé décoiffé.
Timothee Chalamet, that's who I'm doing the video tutorial of today. I've gotten so many requests for his haircut.
Et c'est vrai qu'après 3 coups de ciseaux, il y a un truc. En tout cas, ça suffit pour faire briller les fans.
It may sound crazy, but I've been getting requests from people to purchase my mannequin heads, $100 plus shipping.
Il faut dire que vous êtes doté de ce qu'on appelle une super nature capillaire, objet sacré pour certains, casse-tête pour d'autres, et ce n'est pas Denis Villeneuve qui dira le contraire.
The biggest challenge during June was to deal and master with Timothy's hair. It's alive. And I had to direct Timothy, and I had to direct his haircut.
Ah, ça, c'est parce que vous n'aviez pas encore regardé les tutos. Allez, le petit cul, c'est fini.
So that happened. That was pretty cool. And I want to share that with you all. So once again, if you are interested in getting the haircut, learning more about Timothee Chalamet's hair, just type in Timothee Chalamet, the salon guy, and you'll see it on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed this. It was really, I live my life by having no expectations. And because of these types of things happening, I've had, PewDiePie has shouted me out. Macklemore has recreated a haircut video of mine for one of his songs. Like, I've had some amazing accomplishments, and I've learned to just keep putting stuff out and not have any expectations, and stuff like this will happen like out of nowhere. I just couldn't believe it. So for everyone watching, I highly suggest that maybe incorporate that into your lifestyle. I know a lot of us want instant results, instant gratification, but if you have patience and you believe in what you're doing, you never know what could happen. You just gotta live your life like an open spirit, right? Have your spirit open and be ready for anything to come at any time. And that is my message for today. So thank you for watching. Let me know what you thought about that. You can actually search that on YouTube. You can find that video on YouTube. You just have to type in like the channel name and Timothee Chalamet, and you can see the actual video there. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.